In last class, we discussed about Microsoft Access and database. Today, we discuss about how to create an Access database. Before we create a database, we should be clear about the purpose, uses, data, queries and forms, reports of the database. Following ways can be used to create a database in MS Access. As the purpose of creating a database for storing data in a table of database. We can also create queries, forms or report of a database. Let's know about creating a database in MS Access. If you want to create a database in Microsoft Access, then you have to follow the steps. First, creating a blank database, creating a database using a template, downloading a database from Microsoft Office Online. Next, creating a database using a template. As you know, a template is ready to use database that includes tables, queries, forms and reports that are required to perform a specific task. Several templates are displayed on the Getting Started icons with the Microsoft Access page. Template is a ready-made designs. With the help of you can create a database. Next, how to get started with Microsoft Access. A page has various templates. We can download more templates from the Microsoft Office. In a page बहुत सारे टेम्पलेट्स हैं. इफ यू वांट टू गेट मोर देन यू कैन डाउनलोड इट फ्रॉम माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस वेबसाइट्स. नेक्स्ट, फॉलोइंग स्टेप्स कैन बी यूज्ड टू क्रिएट अ डेटाबेस यूजिंग अ टेम्पलेट. इफ यू वांट टू क्रिएट अ डेटाबेस यूजिंग टेम्पलेट्स then follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the local templates from the template categories located on the left pane. Step 2. Select the required database from the middle pane. Step 3. Assign the name of the database in the file name box. Step 4. Click on Create button. It will create a blank database. MS Access will create and open a database along with a form opened by default to enter data. These are the dialog box of creating database. Here you can select the blank database and click on Create button. Also, you can type the name of database here. After that, it will create a blank database. Next, how to create a blank template in Microsoft Access. Next topic is how to create a blank template in Microsoft Access. Microsoft Access में कैसे आप ब्लैंक टेम्पलेट क्रिएट करेंगे. Following steps can be used to create a blank template. Step 1. Click on the blank database from the Getting Started with Microsoft Access page. Step 2. Type the desired name in the file name box of the blank database pane. Step 3. Click on the Create button. These are the pane. Here you can select a blank database as the given in step 1. Step 2. Specify the name of database. Here by default is database 3. And step 3. Click on Create button. These are the Create button. After that, this dialog box will appear. Here you can define the fields or column of a table. Next topic is creating a table. The tables group on the Create tab has tools that are used to add a new table to the current database. Using Datasheet view and using Design view are the two main tabs to create a table. If you want to create a table in the database, there are two options available there. First one is using Datasheet view and second one is using Design view. Next, how to create a table using Datasheet. As they are given, first method, how to create a table using Datasheet view. Data are directly entered in the table. In the database view, following steps can be used to create a table using Datasheet view. If you want to create a table using Datasheet view, then follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Create tab on the ribbon after creating a database. Step 2. Click Table from the Tables group. MS Access, create a table. Select the column, add new field by default. These are the step 1. Click on Create and second step click on Table. Step 3. Click in the column to enter data and press Tab key to add a new field to the table. Step 4. Click on Save button in the Quick Access toolbar in the title bar to save the table. Step 5. Type a name for the table in the Save As dialog box. Step 6. Click on OK button. It will save your tables. These are the dialog box. Here you can add the any number of fields according to your requirement. After that, type the name of the table in Save As dialog box and click on OK button. It will save your tables for future. Next, viewing a table. In order to view a table, simply double click on the table from the left pane. We see the table opens in the right pane. If you want to see the tables, then double click on the table name. It will open with all the details that you entered. Here ID by default is 1234, name that you typed and number. These are the structure of a table. First field name is ID, second field name is name and third field name is number. These are also called a column name. And within a row you have typed the record like 1 Rohit and number is 60 and so on. Next, table structure. A table structure is an indication for the kind of table that is to be created. The name, size and different types of fields are described by a table structure. A table stores different types of data. These types may vary according to the field in a table. These are some of the data types. After creating those data of a table, you have to know about some fields and their data types where you can store data. That we discuss on next class. All students carefully watch the video and try to understand the topic, how to create a database and how to create a tables with the help of datasheet view. Thank you.